Hello and welcome to Grind to Freedom. It's me, Steve, and today we're going to be talking about how to make money on Facebook on 2026. So there's many ways that you can utilize Facebook for your advantage to make money this year. For example, if you have product that you're trying to promote or sell, Facebook ads is one of the best ways that you can essentially promote that product to the right audience and make those sales. Another way that you can make money on Facebook is through affiliate partnerships. So now Facebook, especially if you have a Facebook page, you can have affiliate partnerships. So if let's say you have an Amazon storefront or you have any other product that you're affiliated with, you can utilize these partnerships to essentially put it on Facebook and put those products in front of those specific audience. But the one that I want to talk about the most, those were viable ways that I just mentioned to make money on Facebook, is the Facebook Monetization Content Program, for the Facebook Content Monetization Program. So that particular program is absolutely invaluable because you can actually get paid to post on Facebook. And I'm talking about you can post status posts, aka text posts, you can post photo posts, or you can post video/reels. And also from the stories, you can also get paid. How can you do that, you might ask? Well, you can do that by using your personal Facebook profile and turning on the professional mode. And essentially, once your particular profile reaches at least 300,000 views, which is honestly sounds like a lot, but on Facebook, it's quite easy to achieve this. You can make it happen. But the way that I normally recommend is for you to create a separate page, not using your personal account, but creating a separate page and then creating there the niche and the page that you want to monetize eventually. So let's say you're a person that you love arts and crafts, or maybe you love magic, or perhaps you travel to a country like Tunisia that you're obsessed about the culture and the food and things like that. And you want to have a viable route not only to express your passion of these particular niches, but you want to actually monetize them. Back in the day, I would tell you, hey, open a website, drive some traffic, do all that. But that's way too long of a runway in order to you to get to monetization. But with Facebook, it's quite easy. Because if you already have material, or even if you don't have material, you can leverage AI to create these posts, these text posts, and all these stuff. And eventually you can actually automate it. So once you get the handle of things, you can actually monetize this stuff. And all this stuff is the stuff that we pride ourselves to teach in our private community. You can check out in the description below if you want to check it out. Right there, we help everybody essentially create, grow, monetize, and scale Facebook pages so they become Facebook money pages. If you want to check it out, the link in the description below, and you can check it out right now. But essentially, the step-by-step basis for you to monetize a Facebook page is quite easy. So first you want to create the actual page. Let's say you create a page about hockey, and you call it the #1 hockey fan. And you're about to post about everything hockey related, whether it's trades, whether it's breaking news, whether it's championship standings and rankings, whatever it is. You're going to create that page and you're going to start posting pieces of content. In the beginning, you don't want to go too crazy because first, you don't have an audience if you don't have one. And two, Facebook kind of penalizes if you spam too much the account, especially in the beginning phases. So you want to limit your posting to about 3 to 5 postings per day, you can say. Or if you want to start even slower, you can start 1 to 2 posts or 3 posts per day, and you start it that way. That's not going to actually get you to monetization, but it's going to get your page up and started. You can grow your page organically, but I highly, and I mean highly recommend that you pay for the traffic to come to your page, because that's the way that they're going to find you. I know the Facebook ad manager could be intimidating for most people, but if you follow our step-by-step system that we teach in our community, the link in the description below, you'll be able to do this in no time. Or you can also partner with us and we can help you achieve these goals as well. But essentially, you're going to target specifically hockey fans because those are the people that are the most interested in those things. And you want to target hockey fans or whatever the interest of the niche it is with tier one countries. Why? Because if you target hockey fans that live in India, because Facebook perceives this country as a low paying country or low marketing dollars for or currency for that specific country, you're not going to get paid as much when you monetize. But when you have tier one audience, that means the United States, that means Switzerland, that means England, that means like all these different countries that have top paying dollars, you're actually going to make way more money from those particular views, because Facebook, just like YouTube, it changes the payment scale regarding your audience. So if you attract more people that will be proficient in being able to pay more things or being able to get advertised more commercials that are from those particular countries, you get paid way more. I'm talking the difference is night and day. I created once a Peru page and all my people were from Peru, and I'm talking thousands and thousands and thousands of people from Peru were following this page. But because the people were from Peru, that Facebook essentially views this audience as a low paying country, essentially, even though I had thousands and thousands and thousands of followers, the more I could earn in that page was up to $500 a month. Don't get me wrong, it's pretty decent money, but is nothing in comparison to the other pages that I did with tier one audiences that now we're talking about $3,000, $5,000, and even $10,000 plus dollars a month, depending on the month, because there's certain quarters that pay better than other quarters, and that's also niche dependent. But typically Q4, that we are very close to getting to Q4 very, very soon in the next coming months, as I'm recording this video, is the month that is the money-making month. I mean, the highest of payouts come in the month of November, December, and even January. So you want to start a page ASAP. And that's why in our community below, we are very focused on helping you create and monetize a page so you can do this over and over and over again. Because once you dominate how to do it for one page, you'll be able to do it for a second page, a third page, or a fourth page. And the whole time, you don't even need to change your niche. You can do like a page, let's stick with the hockey niche because that's the example that I was giving. Let's say you do the #1 hockey fan, and right there you're putting everything fandom about hockey. Another one could be hockey stats, and you're just putting a bunch of stats about players and different things like that. Another one could be top hockey gear and stuff like that. And then you can not only blend in information from one page to another, but now you're horizontally scaling up your pages. And now instead of you earning, let's say, an extra $1,500 a month, that's $1,500 a month across 3 pages. So now we're literally talking about close to $5,000 a month, and you're managing 3 pages on the same niche that you can cross-post each other, and one page helps the other page, grow even further and further and further up, because you can keep on sharing the different posts and different things like that. As well as you can have different niches, different passions, different things that you want to put out there. Let's say you do a hockey niche, and then you do one about cats, and then you do another one about arts and crafts, and then you do one about being a coffee lover or something like that. I'm just giving random examples because literally you can do absolutely every or any niche that you're passionate about. But the most important thing is that you are passionate about. Don't do it first and foremost because of the money. The money will come, but do it because of your passion, because that's what's going to keep you going. First, when the money's not there, and second, when you start to grow. There's people that burn out way too fast growing Facebook pages because they say, hey, I want to do this niche because it's going to make me a lot of money. But they're not so passionate about that. And that's what stops them from growing or from scaling more pages across different niches or across the same niche. So I will highly, highly recommend that you look into this. Check our community in the description below, because it's going to help you so much to essentially have all the shortcuts possible to get you to monetization as quick as possible. But also be mindful that you don't even have to put yourself on camera. If you put yourself on camera and you want to do a personal brand, or you want to talk about the news or sports or whatever it is that you want to do, you can totally do it, and you will earn more money because of it, because you're making completely original content. But if you want to do it completely faceless, you can totally do this as well. be on the lookout essentially for more things. And this is such an undiscovered and untapped resource of making money online. There's already a lot of people making money online on Facebook specifically in all these different ways, but the major way is through this Facebook monetization program, because it literally pays you thousands upon thousands of dollars with the right audience for you to have a very viable business side hustle, or even have extra money for travel or eating out with your spouse or something like that. So definitely look out for our community in the description below. We'll have the link right there just for you. And yeah, if you like this type of content, don't forget to like the video, share with a friend or two that might need it more than you do. And don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell so you get notified every time we have tips and tricks and everything that we have over here. We're coming up very soon to teach people how to automate through Claude Cowork and things like that. Those videos will come very soon. But for now, we're gonna give as much of information as possible for you to start your Facebook monetization journey and all the ways that you can grind towards your freedom and make money online. Anyways, that's it for today. It's me, Steve. Catch you on the next one on Grind to Freedom.